Welcome to LeadTechX. This is Tech Deep Dive.
Hi, I'm Dom. These days tech is getting more and more complicated. Getting and understanding technology right is becoming an essential skill. That's why we've launched LeadTechX. Our aim is to bring technology to more and more people and improve their technology know-how. Last week we launched the Tech Made Simple series, particularly aiming at the people who don't like to know the detail, just wanted to understand the top level things. You can click on the link above to see the Tech Made Simple series. We also have our unboxing series, particularly made to give you my first impressions of the different technologies that I come across. You can see the unboxing series by clicking the link above again. So this series is called Tech Deep Dive. We're going to go into a little bit more detail with some of the technologies and share the tips and tricks with you. Hope you're going to really enjoy this. Please let us know what you think. Your feedback is really important. Your support powers us to get to more people and share the technology know-how with them. Please like the videos, subscribe to the channel, let us know your thoughts through the comments down below. Your support is massively important to us. That helps us reach more and more people and help them with their technology problems. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video series. Goodbye.